How to log in United Chase credit card. For this, simply open a default web browser. I am using Safari for this particular tutorial. Then, in the search bar, search for the United Chase credit card login. From the results list, tap on the one that says Chase Bank. Here, you'll arrive in the main homepage section. In the top right hand side of the screen, you'll notice a small sign in button. Tap on it to sign in, and a sign in form opens up in the screen. In the username field, you can enter your username and fill your password in the password section. Make sure to tick on Remember Me checkbox. You can also tap on Use Token checkbox to use token. And finally, tap on Sign In. Also, there are links like Forgot Your Password and Sign Up Now, which you can tap on to recover your account and begin your account process as well. And you'll be logged into the official United Chase credit card website.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.